Get out of the way, get out of the way. Excuse me, can I come through? Doc. Can I take a look at my friend, please? Sure. Cancer, arthritis, heart disease, you name it, I've cured it. For real? Well, thank you, Doc. But first, I would like to know, what's causing your friend's sickness? What happened to him? Where's my clothes? Alright, well, it all started last week when I met this girl. So I'm have AIDS. Well, you're in luck, I'm cured AIDS only. No, it's not AIDS. So why am I have the corona? Catch. What? What? Him catch feelings for her. Him catch who? Catch feelings for her, Doc. Him catch? Oh, it's worse than I thought. Your friend don't need a doctor, my friend. Your friend needs Jesus.